Hello, it's Harry Buttz coming to you live from the wonderful city of West Bend, Wisconsin. I am in a private area, as you can see, of many people, so I need a VIP pass to get in. Okay, let's go. This is the first house. The word on the street is that fireworks are being too loud in here, so let's see what this says and say. I am undercover. Okay.
Hello?
Hey, the word on the street is that fireworks are being way too loud for the people, and they just do not appreciate it. What do you say about this, sir?
I don't mind them.
Are you sure? Is that your final question or answer?
Yeah. I don't really hear them.
Okay. Good day, sir. I'll be... Oh, sorry. No, sorry. Oh, well. That didn't end up too well. I will go to the next house. I'll get back to you later. Okay, this is house 2. I'm now approaching another citizen's house. And I am knocking on the door.
Whoa, dude, what's wrong with your face?
Nothing. It's nothing. I just haven't met them. You look familiar, sir. Okay, anyways. What do you say about the fireworks that are going off in the city from little children?
Oh, man, the fireworks? Oh, rock on, man. Yeah, those are gnarly. I always help light them off, man. Up at the...
Sir, they're illegal. Sir, they're illegal.
You know, just... Fireworks are cool.
Sir!
What do you want?
Those fireworks are illegal.
You're illegal.
Well, house number 3. This is Harry Buttz coming to you live from the wonderful city of West Bend, Wisconsin. This is house number 3, and we are approaching it. Everything, I guess their garage was open, so I'm going to go in here. Hello, sir. Whoa, you look familiar.
Why is it so cold outside?
I don't know. It's like summer. It's like 90-something degrees.
Can you lower your voice?
What? What are you talking about? No, sir. I was going to ask you about the fireworks that are going off in the city, and the people of West Bend say that it is not appropriate. Yes.
I hear them. Yeah, I don't like them.
Wow.
I always hear them. I cry in the basement.
Yes, sir. I know how you feel. They're illegal, so...
How many times have you wet your pants this week? My record's 60.
60? Least or most?
Least.
Okay. So, sir, that is 1 out of 3. So, 1 out of 3 people. So, that's pretty good, you know? We'll get back to you at the basement.